We're in the exhibit hall of the IRS Nationwide Tax Forums here in San Diego, California, the last forum of the season. I want to emphasize the season is certainly one of the last forums. It's been a great success so far this year, but I'm joined by John Lipold. John, tell us a little bit about what your role is with the IRS and your role with the tax forums, please.
Well, Alan, thank you for being here. It's a pleasure to be here with you. My name, again, is John Lipold. I am a branch chief in the IRS Communication and Liaisons Office of National Public Liaison.
Great. And as doing that, your role with the forums, how does that work?
My team manages the forums. We have 4 or 5 people who are working year-round to put on this production.
Great. Now, the forums this year have been quite busy. I want to say that at least I've been with every one of them. I know that at least 3, maybe all, how many? 3, at least 50 were sold out, including this one here.
Yeah, we've had 3 sold out. This is our 5th city, San Diego, also a sellout.
Now, I noticed that in some of our rooms there was recording going on. Are we going to see the IRS tax forums online?
So yes, we do have an online component that will come on stream sometime in October. You'll hear about that through probably an IRS press release, also through e-news for tax professionals, which is one of our newsletters.
Okay, now e-news for tax professionals. I think I want to touch on this because I think it's great. I get these things at least once a week when a lot is going on, maybe more than once a week. How does one get e-news for tax professionals, and what are the benefits of being logged into that?
Well, I'll tell you first that e-news for tax professionals is a weekly newsletter, comes out on Fridays, and we take all of the news that comes out of the IRS, whether it's news releases, whether it's guidance, but it has to be specific to the tax professional community. We pull it all together on Fridays, and it goes into your email box. And the easiest way to subscribe to that is to go to www.irs.gov and just do a search for e-news, and you'll find the links for that.
That's great. You know, I've signed up for a lot of the different newsletters that come out, and I find the information invaluable personally. But that's me.
Good.
I tend to read too much of that kind of stuff sometimes, or my wife tells me. And you know, stop the technical. Anyways, with this said, being as busy as it was this year, what should we look forward to for next year, and when we find out what's coming in?
Well, we are already in the planning phases for 2025. Like I said, this is a year-round work for us. We won't be announcing our locations until sometime early in January, I'm guessing. But like I said, registration for 2025 will open on March 1st, and people will be able to reserve their hotels and get our early bird discount.
Great. So I want to tell everybody, if you've already been to the forums, they'll automatically get an email.
You should be getting an email reminder and some great preview information.
Fabulous. And if not, look for that e-news for tax professionals, and you'll get it there.
Absolutely.